I guess I've been trying to make this little game on a website, learning how to play Hangman, but using Nyiakeng Puachue. And so I just want to kind of give a demo. I kind of got it working, but I could definitely polish it up a bit more. But for the most part, I think it's working how I want it to work. So let me show you guys really quick. So files to go localhost 3000. And so this one, if we were to guess it wrong, let's say, right, and then it will pop up there, slowly build it, and oh, it's wrong. So nice try, refresh again. The actual word is bay. So if we refresh it again, it could be guess. I think this is goo, goo. So yeah, goo, yay. So when it refresh again, so you just refresh it and it'll give new words. It's not a lot of words right now. I think this one. Oh, so it's not that. So I'm thinking it's. Yeah. What is it? Okay. So yeah, Nyajong. So yeah. So you could just refresh it and give new words, but I think for now I only have um, uh, only 5 words. So it's Yesu Nyajong Gu Ga Bei. So we could definitely increase this word list a bit more, or dictionary, so that way people can um, play and learn this. And and also I'm thinking about giving hints here or somewhere, that way they could actually know. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think. It's just kind of like a proof of concept or a working demo, so let me know what you guys think. Okay, all right, thanks.